In the depths of the forest, a magical night is about to unfold. The animals in the woods sense the mysterious atmosphere. The moon hangs high in the sky, while stars twinkle like diamonds, painting a beautiful picture. Grandpa Turtle strolled leisurely along the forest path, observing everyone getting ready for bed. He paused and softly said, "Children, night is falling. It's time to rest." He imparted his wisdom, reminding them of tomorrow's new challenges. Peter Rabbit and his rabbit friends frolicked happily on the grass, playing and jumping around. They had enjoyed a wonderful day, and now it was time to return to their burrow and drift off to sleep. Little Dan, the monkey, decided to embark on an adventure tonight. With curiosity driving him, he set out on an unknown journey. He leapt from branch to branch, exploring every corner and discovering many amazing things. Little Bear Mimi lay in the cave as Mama Bear covered him with her soft fur and sang gentle lullabies, sending him the warmest goodnight wishes. Mimi closed his eyes, feeling safe and secure, drifting into sweet dreams. As night quietly descended, the forest was filled with tranquility and peace. All the animals drifted off to sleep, dreaming beautiful dreams. They knew that tomorrow would bring a brand new day,